Dad. I just gained a little bit forward.
3.
Dad, I gained a lot.
5.
It's 5. I gained a little bit forward. It's a 5. What's it? Uh-oh.
Deanne, don't throw it. You drop it, it breaks.
Wow.
You're gonna wreck it.
Yes, and Mommy's gonna be mad.
Yep.
Mommy's like it.
Then,
No. Yes, it's the same. Then I gotta see this one. This. Oh, it's not the same. Not the same. This is the same number of the 5. This is not the same number of the 3. That's why you call that different. That's different, Dad, and this is not different.
it's different.
This one is different, and this is not different. There's 2 5 and 3 3s. But 3 3s, 3 3s makes 1, 2, 3,
Where's that? It's been here.
4, 5, 6. It makes 6, Dad. 3 and 3 makes 6, Dad.
Yep.
Dad, and
Those are
3.
candles.
Dad, 3 and 3 makes.
3 and 5.
Dad, 3 makes 6, Dad. 3 makes 6.
That's right, buddy. You learning how to add?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes, Dad. What's 6 cubes? But there's only 5 left, Dad. Dad, there's only 5 left. Dad, there's only, Dad, I'm gonna do 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. Today, not 20. Today, I got wow. Happy birthday to you.
Good stuff.
Wow. It has, no more touching it. It's so it's like that. It's time to buy.
Don't push it all the way over there into
Oh,
the holder.
Okay. It's my happy birthday party hat. This is for baby sister. Thank you. Please.
Can't. Don't put it in there. Let your mom do it.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Your mom will help you do it.
No, Leon. There you go, the color pink.
You got a party hat.
Yeah, there was one.
And Daddy got party
Only
hat
6
too.
party hats, Dave. Only 6 party hats. What you mean is
Party
Scooties.
hat too, honey.
Scooties.
Ready?
Scooties. Yeah. Cool 2 party hats.
Just like that.
This. Yeah, 35. Oh no, 35 didn't fall off. 35 fall off. Daddy, I got 2 party hats on.
Okay, buddy.
We have 53.
There's a tag on the hat.
54, 55, 56, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Mama, I'm just saying 18 there. Oh!
Good girl, even your party hat on, honey.
I can fix it now. Mama, I can fix it.
You're a good girl, even your party hat on, honey.
Oh no!
That's a good girl.
It's a magic, Mama. I do like it.
Magic.
That's why it's not.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We're gonna sing happy birthday to mommy.
Dad. Mama, we can say it faster and say, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
Dion. Say a happy birthday, Dion.
Come on, buddy. Let's sing.
Oh, come here.
Turn on.
Dion, we're gonna light the candle. Come on. You can blow the candle out, Dion.
I'll blow the candles on.
Look, Dion. There, Dion.
I will blow the candles. You're the one.
Okay, ready,
Come
Dion?
on, buddy.
Happy birthday.
Let's go. Let's sing.
Okay, ready.
Ready? Let's sing.
Backwards.
Okay, ready. Dion, sing. Come here. Hold mommy's hand. Yes. Oh, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Mommy, anak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Can you help?
All right.
Oh, blow. Michael, let's try brother. Oh,
You're the wonderful blow.
you know what?
Dion singing, huh?
Michael, blow it.
Birthday to you.
Good singing, Dion. See, he's starting to sing now. That's good. Good job.
All right.
Michael singing too.
Done.
Did you sing too, Michael? Good job.
Open this, anak.
Oh,
Dion, Michael.
oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I feel so heavy. It's so heavy, honey. Why are you so heavy?
Yum!
Sleepy, that's why.
Yeah. I want to eat too then. Go, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30.
You're cutting them over, Michael. You gotta stop where you start. You can't keep cutting them over.
Oh, it's better. For
2,
my wonderful wife, you're a blessing to me in many ways
4,
to come.
5,
Wow, 100 times.
7,
I'm so grateful for you, for our love, our family, and all the blessings God has given me because
12.
of
That's all
sharing
12.
life with this gift of you. Happy birthday with all my love, Dad, Dion, Michael, and Sophia. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Daddy.
Give Mama a kiss. Yeah, give Mama a kiss. Kiss
Oh,
Mama.
money!
Mama.
There's money in there! What's money in there?
Easy for one.
No, just like
Mama,
that.
we ready to eat the cake, Mama?
Oh
no!
so sweet.
Naman ng anak ngayon.
Good
Good baby.
job.
Yay! You wanna eat?
I'll have one piece, but I gotta get milk. So you're gonna eat first, 'cause unless you want to take baby, you let me eat first. And give me a break.
I
My
want
arms.
to eat
She's heavy.
2 pieces. I want to eat.
Here.
Here, my bubble gum.
Give me a break here. Oh, my arms still. Oh, my bad shoulder. I gotta eat, honey.
I want to eat cake too,
Oh
Mama.
my goodness, Daddy's girl today. Come on.
Michael, do you want some, Michael?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yo, don't cry, honey. My goodness, Daddy's girl.
I will have 2, Mama.
Michael, only one, huh? Only one slice.
Yes. Only 1 and only 1.
Want some milk?
1 makes 2, Mama.
You feel like it's gonna pop off. Oh, what's the date on this stuff? Because you may have to start drinking this soon. November 11th or want some milk, honey? You got milk? Daddy, give you some milk. How do you want me to give it to her? Cup?
2, 3, go.
Glass. You want some milk, honey?
Cold hands. I was the cold hands.
It's milk.
I have cold hands.
I'll give you some milk.
I have
A
cold.
little bit at a time. Ground yourself. Milk.
Cold hands. Ouch! It hurts me. Cold hands. It hurts me. Cold hands.
I didn't get like this today, Mommy. I was asking for it in the store. Did you want milk in the store? Remember? Oh, her eyes are like, ding! When I mentioned milk, her eyes are like, look how big her eyes got. There you go.
Ding!
There you go. Oops. There you go.
Mama, we need to cut it.
Drink now?
You want a piece, Michael?
Yes.
How about you, Dion? Like,
Oh,
hold
no.
this weight. You got to. Okay, you got the plate.
Oh no.
It's already pre-cut. I'm just gonna get a knife and move it to your plate.
Oh no.
Dion, you want a piece of cheesecake?
I want.
There you go, buddy. Sure you don't want a piece, Dion? It's delicious. That's what you wanted. That's what she wanted. She wanted her milk today. You look like such a big girl.
Drinking milk.
Yeah, you look like a big girl. Good job, honey. Not your milk. Yeah, girl. Yeah, you want a bite? Cheesecake. Delicious. Yeah, I'm glad you got this one, babe. The vanilla is better.
What banana?
Vanilla's the best.
What is this? Cheesecake.
Mm-hmm.
You don't like it?
It's way better than just the chocolate ones.
This is better than chocolate?
Mm-hmm. Good girl. She wiped. It was going down her chin. She wiped it, babe. She's learning how to wipe. Good girl.